understanding, offer a leg up in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, offer a leg up. This phrase is commonly used in English, and understanding its meaning and usage can really help you in your language journey. So, let's dive in and find out what it means to offer a leg up. The phrase, offer a leg up, is an idiom in English. An idiom is a phrase where the meaning isn't obvious from the individual words. To offer a leg up means to provide support or assistance to someone, usually to improve their situation or to help them succeed. The origin of this phrase comes from the idea of giving someone a boost to climb up something, literally offering your leg for them to step on to reach higher ground. Let's see how this phrase can be used in everyday conversation. 1. In the workplace, my manager offered me a leg up by recommending me for the lead role in the project. 2. In education, the scholarship program offers a leg up to students from underprivileged backgrounds. 3. In personal growth, finding a mentor can offer you a leg up in your personal development journey. These examples show how this phrase can be applied in various aspects of life, highlighting the versatility of this idiom. When using offer a leg up, remember it's about assistance, not physical lifting. Avoid using it in a literal sense, like physical support. It's metaphorical and pertains to helping someone improve their situation. There are other ways to express a similar idea. Give someone a boost. Lend a helping hand. Help someone climb the ladder. Each of these has a similar connotation but can be used in slightly different contexts. And that's a wrap on offer a leg up. Remember, it's all about providing support and assistance, helping someone improve their situation. We hope this video has given you a leg up in understanding this useful phrase. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing your English.